Alright, hey guys, we're back. Today we are reviewing Wawa pizza. So this is actually new. They just started this stuff. We haven't even looked at it. So
Did you get pepperoni or?
ooh, she looks good.
She does look good.
Okay.
Give me the food.
sorry. Okay. Alright, everyone just grab a slice.
Go at it.
We have to bite it at the same time. Oh, we need to grab napkins.
That's what we got fingers.
We got a mouth. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The dough's different.
Really? There's so
Yeah.
much cheese.
It is very cheesy. It's better than I thought it would be.
I thought it would be better, to be honest.
Really?
I don't know. Gas station pizza usually smacks. Like to be honest, a DiGiorno, like pizza's better.
I mean, yes. But also, I haven't had pizza in a while, so this is kind of slacking.
Okay.
Like, it's doing it for me.
What do you think?
It's good.
Would you buy it again?
I don't know. It's a little bit burnt, but I like it.
I think it was like $13.
Oh, no, I don't like that.
$13.
I don't think that's that bad, actually.
I don't think it's worth this, though.
Like, I don't know if I would buy it again. Maybe sausage next time. The sausage has more flavor. Is it just me? Like, it doesn't taste like much.
This pizza?
Yeah.
I think it does.
Does it have a lot of flavor?
I think it does.
Yeah.
Maybe it's my taste buds.
I will say there is more cheese than pepperoni. So, like, the ratio is a little off. Right?
You know, maybe I would buy it again.
I wish
But-
they sold individual pieces.
And if I had Valentina,
Valentino pizza?
like just to put it on pizza. You
I've
never
never
had,
tried that.
you never put Valentina on pizza?
No.
So good. What do you rate it?
Out of what, 5?
Out of 10.
Okay.
Always
A
rate it.
7.
A 7. Okay.
Oh, 7.
Okay. You?
You said I like this pizza.
Mm-hmm.
I give it like a 6.2.
I don't know, guys. Like, it's not gross. Like, I'm gonna eat it because I bought it. But, I don't know.
My water's tasting funny.
The sauce is good. A lot of times they mess up because the sauce isn't good.
The sauce is good. The sauce is pretty good. Like, it doesn't taste too saucy sometimes.
Like, too tomatoey.
Like, it doesn't blend well, but this blends pretty well.
I feel like I have to give her above a 5 just because, like, if someone brought it, I would eat a slice. You know?
And the, what's this called? The crust
Crust.
has flavor.
Of it.
Do you taste it?
Not really.
Really? Mine does.
It's like a garlic flavor.
Yeah. Got a bad beat.
Like, oh, it tastes good.
You know, the garlic does give it some more points.
And it smells really good.
It does smell good.
It does smell really good.
And they have different toppings too. They have like sausage, they have supreme, and
I love me some pepperoni though.
yeah, I can't go wrong with pepperoni. I think I'm gonna give her a 6
Okay.
because
I think that's a fair rating.
yeah, like automatically over 5 because I would eat it again, but I wouldn't buy it again. I feel like if I were to buy it again, I would get a different toppings. But like if someone bought it And they were like, "You want a slice?" I'd be like,
There we go.
"Sure."
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So go to your nearest Wawa
Wow.
and grab a pizza. They only sell 14-inch and 16-inch, I think.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna get the smallest size, but that was the smallest size.
So this is 14.
I would think they would have something like this size.
I would
But
think
like
that
a
they would
personal
sell them individually.
Yeah.
I feel like individuals too much though, because they have to. If they're gonna sell individual sizes, they have to make up each flavor, and they make it per order. Actually, that's a good thing. When you order it, they make it then. They don't already have it ready.
That is a good
So,
thing.
that's
probably
impressive.
why it smells really good.
That's impressive. And it's also 1 a.m. in the morning, so good for them.
Yeah, they did
Good
that.
for them. They did do that. Yeah.
Almost 2.
It was a little slice of Wawa.
No slice of Wawa.
This is the box is.
Yeah.
That's what it says. I was like, that's smart.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you try it. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you would like me to try next. I could try was the Philly cheesesteak good?
It was okay, but I also had COVID, so I was a little like,
Oh no.
down.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Ooh.